Hello everyone, today we are checking out my new Meta Glass accessories, the AMVR magnetic 2-in-1 charging dock and the AMVR transition lens replacement for the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. AMVR sent this to me for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. First, let's check out the charging dock. When I open the box, the first thing I notice is that AMVR actually printed the installation steps right inside the packaging. Next is your power adapter. Underneath that is the USB-C cable that connects to your dock. Next to it are the two magnetic USB-C connectors, and these are what help the Ray-Ban Meta charging case align perfectly with the dock. Here is your cleaning cloth. The AMVR also includes a nano adhesive patch. Now here's your main CD3 charging station itself. It has a clean, modern look and feels premium right out of the box. Lastly, here's your detailed manual instructions. To charge the case, take one of the magnetic USB-C adapters and plug it into the bottom of the Ray-Ban Meta charging case. It slides in smoothly without any force as long as you align it properly. The magnetic connection makes this even easier because when you place the case onto the dock, the magnet helps guide it into the correct position automatically. You don't have to push or adjust anything. The dock immediately recognizes it once you place the charging case. On the other side of the charger is where you can dock your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. You just align them, press down slightly, and that's it. Once they're seated correctly, the dock detects them right away and the LED indicator turns red to show it's actively charging. When the glasses are fully charged, that light switches over to green. The dock supports fast 2-in-1 charging with a 15 watts power output and 2 amp current, so both the glasses and the case charge efficiently at the same time. It's noticeably faster than charging each item separately with standard cables. Each eyeglasses and the charging case has its own LED indicator, making it easy to see the charging status for both. The dock uses an intelligent LED system where red means it's actively charging and green means it's fully charged. The bottom of the dock has rubberized pads that keep it stable on your desk or nightstand, preventing it from sliding around even when you place or remove the glasses with one hand. The magnetic alignment makes docking super easy, allowing you to place or remove your glasses with one hand without any fiddling or adjusting. The shape of the dock naturally guides the glasses into the correct position, so you simply set them and they align on their own. I like the modern and stylish design, making it a nice addition to my desk. It also serves as an elegant display to my glasses, and the smooth contours help prevent scratches on the lenses. The dock is compatible with the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer, Skyler, and Headliner, both Gen 1 and Gen 2. AMVR also sent me their transition lens replacement for the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer. These lenses use photochromic technology that slowly darkens when you're outdoors and clears up again once you're back inside. They offer UV protection to help reduce eye strain, and they have a scratch-resistant coating that holds up well with daily use. These are lightweight, they don't distort, and they fit perfectly in my Ray-Ban Meta glass. Installing them is simple. You just pop the original lenses out and snap the AMVR lenses in. Once they're in place, the transition effect becomes noticeable when you step outside. The lenses don't darken instantly. Instead, they gradually become darker over the course of several seconds. In bright sunlight, they provide some relief and cut clear a bit, but they never get dark enough to fully replace dedicated sun lenses. The transition speed is decent, and once you go back indoors, they clear up again reasonably quickly. So while these won't turn into full dark sunglasses, they definitely help reduce eye soreness and strain when you're outdoors, especially if you're sensitive to bright light. I currently own a clippable sun lens for my Meta glasses, but now that I'm using these transition lenses, it's way more convenient because I don't have to clip anything on anymore. It's nice having one pair of glasses that adapts to changing lighting conditions without needing to swap lenses constantly. Just don't expect these to turn as dark as regular sunglasses, but they definitely help reduce glare and eye strain when you're outdoors. So far, I'm really loving these accessories for my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. The charging dock is practical, stylish, and it makes daily charging so much easier, especially with that magnetic USB-C adapter guiding everything perfectly into place. The transition lenses have also been a big help for me, especially when I'm driving midday. because I don't have to reach my clickable sunglasses anymore. Having lenses that automatically adjust to the lighting just makes the whole experience more convenient. They don't get as dark as regular sunglasses, but they still cut glare and reduce eye strain really well. If you already use Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, these accessories definitely make the overall experience better. Link is in the description if you want to check these accessories out. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.